Jack Shelton has invited me to his shop at least 3 times now to give me some private tutoring on turning. Jack's a master turner and very generous with his time. I can't tell you how much I appreciate what he's done. So I never had learned how to use the bowl gouge, and I told him this. I've been doing turning for a long time, but I've always been a scraper. So he went over the basics with me, and then he got me turning with my bowl gouge.
Don't lever too soon. Move it along until you start to hit rough stuff, and then lever.
We went back and forth on technique, and he did some, and I did some, and we stopped. And he was there the whole time talking with me.
Obviously, you have to lighten up the pressure when you get way out there.
Yeah. This was just a tremendous amount of fun. And we turned this blue mahogany bowl this day. So we did the outside of it, and then we switched it over and did the hollowing on it as well. Here Jack's doing some of the finished cuts on the outside of it before we flipped it.
Pick up a cut. Okay. Bevel's right. Bevel ride. Bevel's riding all the way down. Bevel's still riding.
And on this day, not only did we turn the bowl, but Jack also shared his techniques for doing lacquer finishes. So this is the finished product. Actually, it was partially finished. He left me homework to do the inside. Well, Teddy and I had a great day, and we also got a tour of some of Jack's finished work from days gone by, and just some of the most amazing woodwork I've ever seen in my life. Just a pleasure to view. Anytime a master craftsman like Jack wants to give me some of his time, I'm going to jump on it. Thanks so much for watching.